DOOTEC DT 230 excavator has strong power of 133 kilowatts with Cummins Euro 3 engine. DOOTEC DX series same cabin design for wider operation space and upgraded AC system. Upgrade cooling system prevent the engine from overheating. The traveling motor and swing motor are imported from Korea or DOOTEC authorized manufacturer in China. Genuine hydraulic system ensure flexible movement and quality stability. DT230 is a good helper for construction works over the world, faster working speed, and getting good investment profit.